Disabling two-factor authentication on Pandora can help simplify your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Pandora website or open the app and log in with your username and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top corner of the screen. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. This is where you can manage your two-factor authentication settings. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. Within the security settings, locate the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox to disable it. Click on it to turn off the feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling two-factor authentication, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Pandora account. Remember to keep your account secure by using a strong password.